Pickle for Weirdos. My name is Nina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nina. So for today's video, I will be dyeing my hair green because I haven't done that in a while. I will be coloring my hair using BBC's newest hair color. Actually, meron silang two na nirelease si BBC. It's Almadine and Peridot. So right now, I will be using Peridot with Jade. So this is Jade and this is their newest hair color, Peridot. So as you can see, yung dati nilang BBC package, meron na silang QR code. Oh, diba ang galing? So yeah, I don't know kung anong. Sige nga, let's check. Let's check ano to. Anong kulay to. Let's see. So I have QR code here. Yun. Always ano. See, okay. So when you scan the QR code here, BBC, ito yung ini-scan nila. So this one, yung kung paano, how to dye your hair, you know. So, yeah. Andito yung mga hair color camera root ko. Okay, kita ko siya. So, you can see my hair colors and they might add Peridot here. So, you might see my face everywhere with this one because I haven't done green dye yet. So, let's go. My last video was the blue hair using Astrolox. If you haven't watched that, you can watch it as well. So if you're curious about me dyeing my hair blue, there's also that. This is the fading process. This is the fading process of the Astrolox. Ngayon, it's purple and then there's, I don't know, platinum dito sa taas. It's my blue, it's my purple. It's really a hot mess, ganon. So again, like what I do in my previous videos, I usually have up my hair. Always have a old towel, colored towel, keme-keme, two punas-punas. Like I said in my previous videos, I don't usually put gloves because hindi ko siya nakakapa. Kaya yun, hindi ako nagda-gloves, hindi ako brush. Sometimes, I do the brush pag maghahalo. Also, BBC released a lot of hair dyes and a lot of goodies. You check their account. So, let's start. Let's go. So, I haven't seen this in person, so masusurprise na lang tayo. Boom! Wow, parang sipon. Uy, shoot, ang bango ah. Ang bango ng parang meron silang ibang flavor. Parang gusto ko silang kainin at some point. So this is Jade. I'll be using Jade also as well. Here, you know what I mean. Ooh. Yes. Oh, nahalo ko na pala siya with the emerald. Okay, much better. Don't tie it too tightly para madali siyang itanggal. I'll do the emerald and hinalo kong Jade. Again, Jade emerald. I'll be doing it here. And then ito, baka si Peridot na lang. And make sure wag niyong haluin yung tinali nyo nasa video. Pero for sure, knowing me, messy, cannot. So, ayun, I twirl it para alam ko kung saan si Peridot and what kind of pattern that I'm doing right now. Kasi, hindi ko alam talaga ako nagagawa ko. Basta I know I want green. So, ito, I didn't bleach bat it or anything. I just, naligo lang ako. And then, yun, na-fade yung hair. Kaya ganito is. Woo! Compare this to Emerald and Jade. Usually, parang Emerald to talaga. Kasi malakas yung Emerald. Pero look at the difference. Different sasses. Right? Ganda, man! This is the green. Again, I just sineseparate ko lang into 3 clips. I don't know, mas madali sa akin, mas mabilis. So what I'll do here is mostly Peridot. And then, etong mga hina-highlight ko, the Sunrios, is this one. So, yeah, for me to eliminate pink is to dye blue or green. Kasi, if you know color theory, ang opposite color ni red is green. For coloring the hair, dapat dark yung shirt nyo. And if pag magbi-bleach kayo, well, sa inyo naman. Pero mas okay if white yung shirt nyo. Old white shirt. And then, I'll be using yung sa dito ko sa top, si Toxic UV. Let's go! And as you can see, kinukuha ko yung mga lightest part for the UV. Kasi that I test ran it and dun siya tumatabla lang sa mga white parts ko. Wait, sa under naman, it's si purple. I will be making this si emerald. So at the top, may mga highlights ni emerald and Jade. And then the rest is Peridot. So I'll set this in around, again, 30 to 45 minutes. Since I have no patience, baka 30 minutes lang. So I'll see you in a minute. So guys, this is the finished look. Didn't expect this to happen. Bagay pala siya. Mukha akong sipuan. So, the hair dyes that, yung binala ko siya, wash my hair, hindi siya nag-bleed that much. Ibang hair dyes, may mga ibang hair dyes that I personally experienced then na medyo nagbi-bleed yung dyes when you rinse it. And then, ito, they really like stick. Like, kung ano yung kulay na in-apply mo doon, men, yun na yun, no? I actually like it. I like Peridot. As you can see, makikita mo naman agad si Peridot. Si Peridot is the lighter version. And then, si Jade, mixed with Emerald, is yung, yun nga, yung nasa dark side. And, ito, andito. So yeah, I like yung kinalabasan nito. It took me a second kasi sabi ko, wow, iba tong green na to parang I haven't seen myself for a long time with green hair. I actually stopped dyeing my hair green because I feel like it didn't, parang hindi siya bagay sa akin. When I see it now, parang, wow, ba't di ko siya ginawa nung dati pa? Nung Billie Eilish pa, diba? So, ayan. Ito yung hair ko now. Like, if nakita nyo ako, huwag nyo akong banggain. Traffic light. Okay. So, like I said, this Peridot, like I said in the beginning, ito yung QR code nila. So, what you do is, you scan this. If you don't know how to dye your hair or bleach, meron actually tong guide. If you scan this in your camera or something, I don't know. papakita sa inyo agad yung Facebook. And while you're there, like the page already. And then, when you scan this, andito yung, I'll put it here. You can see the Btch instructions, what you can do, and for like beginners, actually, you can do this. And also, most of my videos are there. You can watch it. Yeah. I hope you like and subscribe to my ang ganda ng hair ko talaga. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I have a new video.